Hey everybody! I wanted to show you, this is from video 333, I believe. I forgot to show it on the last video. It dried so nicely. It is so vivid. I love the colors. So I'm really happy with that one. And then this is from, whoa, that just made me dizzy. From the video prior to this, 334. Oh my God, something like that. This license swipe, I really ended up liking it. I'm pretty happy with that. And then I resined a couple pieces. This one, yes, I did just paint last week. And when I was doing resin the other day, I had resin left over and quickly looked around for a piece without silicone that I could use it on. And I got this one. So it had been dry about a week and the resin looks fantastic. I love it, love it, love it. And then I resined my triangle and it is super cool. And you can see that glitter, well, not the iridescent. So neat. Really happy with that. And then over here, this one is sold. So I am just waiting another day or two. And then I will send that off to its new owner. And now we are going to paint. And we are under severe storm watches warning. So if the sirens go off, I'm gonna have to turn you off so I can go get the dog. But then I'll probably turn you back on because I paint in the basement anyways. So I have to be down here. And if you're hearing a drippy noise, because I am, you probably can't, but it's really irritating to me. It's my sump pump. But I'm guessing you guys can't hear it. But I sure can. So I'm going to do a flip and drag with a little bit of swipe action. Possibly. We'll see how it goes. So this is a level 3 canvas from Michaels. It is 8 by 10. And I paint mixing videos, which will show how I'm mixing the paint. Today I'm going to use Liquitex Basic Bright Aqua Green, Grumbacher Prussian Blue, Artist Loft Light Magenta, and Grumbacher Process Yellow. And then my white paint is already mixed up and in here. So let's put gloves on. So today I was going to paint earlier, but then I had a house full of people fixing stuff. I had the utilities, the gas people out since I got the new furnace, and I had the sprinkler guys out, and then I had the floor guys out because my kitchen floor had messed up on that. So I had people in all day and I was so thrilled because my dog did really, really well. She generally doesn't like people in the house, but I had her on the leash and she met them outside in the yard and was okay with them coming in. So I was thrilled. So I think she is finally maturing somewhat. I've talked about her before. She was found on the street, so we don't really know what experiences she had. But she usually doesn't like men coming over and barks and barks and barks. But as I said, today she did really well. Even to the utilities guy, who was a little bit bigger, and she's kind of scared of tall, big men, but not anymore. She's growing up, my puppy. So did I talk about my new obsession with podcasts on my last video? It's how I stayed awake on my drive to Chicago. I listened to Serial. I mean, these are older podcasts, I think from a couple years ago, but I've never listened to podcasts. So Serial and S-Town. I think I did talk about this because I remember sitting here thinking about it at least. But they're so good. And tomorrow when I walk the dog, I gotta pick a new one so that I actually get my whole workout in. And don't wuss out halfway through because it's hot. Let's see, okay, that needs quite a bit more. Okay, come on. There it goes. Touch up the side. This is the boring part. But you gotta get through the boring parts to get to the fun parts. I also talked about my baby bunnies on the last one in my backyard. They're doing well. They're growing bigger. They are adorable. Mama Bunny keeps covering them up so I can't see them as easily. But my dog is staying away. Last night I caught her just staring at them. Just outside. Staring. Nope, you are not getting that, baby. Okay, so I'm not using silicone. I don't want any big cells in this. Okay, I am hearing a noise. That's the sump pump. Oh, it looks like the colors from Saved by the Bell, the TV show from the, God, was that 80s or 90s? Probably 80s. All right. Woo! I lost a little. So far, so good. Want this to go off the edge. Just a little. There we go. Okay, where'd that? Okay. Let's see. Gosh, maybe I should. Actually, somebody sent me a picture, a painting they had done, and it looked like it was like swipes off of a flip and drag, which is why the idea is in my mind. But I have way too much paint on here right now. So far, I really like it. And I think I'm going to do some more and then tilt it again. So I'm trying to very carefully, I'm kind of twist it at the end. Sorry, I keep coughing. I've got allergies going on. Oh, there's a lot of paint here. Looks like a frog. In fact, I'm going to turn it around so I can get a different perspective. Gosh, I love these colors so much. So I'm tilting it down more towards me again to get some more paint off. And I like the way that it is dripping down the side. It's pretty. I hope all of you have had a good day, good painting day if you've painted, a good regular day if you regulared. Okay. Now I've got green spots. I really like this. I'm surprised I've never done this before. I've never slice and swiped on any, in addition to anything. And I'm surprised I haven't. So this is a little bit of the white that I don't like, where the white paint goes. So I am kind of going to do that right there, which will get rid of some of that. And it looks pretty. That was probably too thick. I was hoping that not too many of the white would pop up, and not too much did. It's hard to eliminate any of it, you know, or none of it. Particularly love that one, that little ribbon. So I like it. It looks, I don't know, but I like it. Wasn't sure if I need to add any more or do anything else, but I don't want to ruin it. So I'm going to turn it around again for you to see it how I'm seeing it right now. It kind of looks like a bug from this angle. I wonder if I should change that. There, that's much less buggy. You know what? It's still buggy, but I like it. So it's staying. Gosh, those colors are awesome. You would not know that there was magenta in there, though. You can't even see magenta, like, tilted off. I don't know. The other colors just swallowed it whole. Aren't those pretty sides? I love that little bit of yellow right there. Quite happy with this one. So, with this one complete, I shall say goodbye, and I will catch you next time. Bye.